One of the biggest takeaways that I talk about often is the power of community. Supporting each other when things get tough during the program, building lasting relationships, sharing deals, job openings, and new opportunities. This is a uniquely powerful and diverse community, unlike anything that exists in online education. You graduates of the Fall 2025 cohort join a rapidly growing global community of over 3,200 like-minded professionals across more than 110 countries, representing virtually every industry in the world.
Programs like this work because we all work together and we all believe in what learning can unlock. Keep stretching yourself, keep asking questions, keep choosing growth even when life gets busy. Because what you've shown here is that learning isn't just a phase, it's a practice, a lifelong practice, and it's one that will continue to propel you forward. So congratulations on your accomplishment. We're very proud of you, and we can't wait to see what you do next.
Each one of you share a drive to invest in yourselves, and you also have a deep intellectual curiosity that led you to this program or the various programs that you enrolled in. That mindset is what really grows our community, and that's what makes this community so special. Although your coursework is completed, this moment is really just the beginning.